Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to Blissful Blessings with Mital. I'm so happy you're here today. In this video, I'm going to share with you some simple daily spiritual practices that can raise your vibrations, bring more peace, and make your energy shine bright. These are practices I personally follow, and I promise you, even small steps done daily can completely change the way you feel. Let's begin with the morning. How you start your day sets the tone for the whole day. The first thing you can do is, before even getting out of bed, place your hands on your heart and say thank you. Gratitude the moment you wake up rises your vibration instantly. Next, drink a glass of water, but before drinking it, hold it in your hands and silently bless it. Water carries energy, and when you bless it, you are programming it with positivity. Then move your body. It can be light stretching, a few yoga poses, or even just dancing for 2 minutes to your favorite music. Movement shakes away any stuck energy from sleep. And lastly, take a few deep breaths. Try inhaling slowly, holding for a second, and exhaling completely. Even 3 minutes of conscious breathing can clear your mind and bring calmness. Now, once your body is awake, let's focus on your mind and spirit. Spend a few minutes in meditation. You don't have to sit for long. Even 5 minutes of stillness, just watching your breath or repeating a mantra, can bring you into alignment. Affirmations are another powerful tool. You can say things like, I am aligned with love and abundance, or my energy is pure and positive. Say them out loud or in your mind. Your words shape your reality. Also connect with nature. If you can step outside in the sunlight or simply put your bare foot on the floor or the ground, nature naturally heals and balances our energy. Throughout the day, you can also keep your vibrations high with small lifestyle choices. Be mindful with your food. Eat clean, fresh foods when possible. And always thank your food before eating. Gratitude makes food more nourishing for your body. Avoid rushing to your phone first thing in the morning. Give yourself some time before diving into social media. Protect your mind in those first sacred moments of the day. You can also raise your energy with sound. Listen to high frequency music, mantras, or even calming chants in the background while you work. And one of the fastest ways to raise your vibration is kindness. Smile at someone, give love, or help in a small way. The energy of giving always comes back multiplied. Before going to sleep, it's just as important to cleanse your energy. You can light incense, a candle, or simply close your eyes and imagine a white light around you, washing away all the negativity from the day. Then take a notebook and write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude before sleep makes your energy very peaceful. And lastly, say a small prayer. Surrender all your worries to the universe, to God, or to your higher self. When you release your burdens at night, your sleep becomes more healing. So my loves, these are some simple but very powerful daily practices that can raise your vibration and help you live with more peace, love, and joy. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about being consistent with small steps every day. Which one of these practices will you start today? Let me know in the comments, and if this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder. Until next time, stay blessed, stay aligned, and keep shining your beautiful light.